Hi everyone. So this video is actually going to be showing up in two places. It's going to show up in Module 1 when I'm talking about how to control the chat. And it's also going to show up in Module 2 when we're kind of talking about some of the basic Zoom features that you can use when you're interacting with the class. And that's because it's all about the chat. And so everything will be covered in one place. So if you get to Module 2 and you're like, have I heard this before? Yes, you have, including the joke I just made, right? So here's how you use the chat. Very easy. You click chat, and the window shows up, and I would suggest leaving this open. It is easy to lose track of the chat if you're talking, if you're lecturing, and so you may want to pause and just take a look at it. It's easy to forget to do that, or even pause and when you have times for verbal questions, and you could even let students know if there's a comment sitting in the chat. I think that's a good idea. But let's say you're in the middle of class, and I don't know, something that shouldn't be happening is occurring in the chat. One thing that you can do is change who people can chat with. You can make it no one if you want. I was messing around with these features earlier. You can make it so they can only chat with you. If you just want questions to go to you, you can make it so they can chat with everyone publicly, and you can also make it so they can chat with everyone publicly and privately. And so here's the thing with that. Be aware that if students are private messaging one another, you by default will not be able to see those messages. So, you may actually want to make it so that everyone can only comment publicly. Although, actually mileage varies here. Maybe you want to let students ask a question behind the scenes. That's really your determination. If you feel like it's becoming a distraction, you can do that. And again, you can completely shut down the chat here. You can also download the chat. So let's say you haven't set the meeting to automatically save the chat. You can do that just by clicking here and then hitting save chat, and it'll save. So that's how that works. Very easy.